Good morning students. Today we will discuss the control statements. In C language, two types of control statements. One unconditional control statements and conditional control statements. The uncontrolled conditional statement is very simple. We first discuss about that unconditional control statement. Execution of unconditional control statement, the execution of the program can be altered by transferring the control from one place to another place in the program. Without specifying the conditions. Such a statement is known as unconditional control statement. In simple terms, the statement make while jump from one part of the program to another part. For example, go to statement. Go to statement is used to this purpose. Thank you. Next one we will discuss conditional statement. The conditional statement, all of you know, we will conditional control statement. First one we will discuss the conditional control statement. The conditional control statement can be broadly classified conditional execution. First one, second one is looping, and third one is selection. Conditional execution also divided into if statement, if else statement, and nested if else statement. First one, if condition. The if statement allows the programmer to execute a statement or series of this statement conditionally if the condition supplied to the statement is logically true. The statement that follow it is executed, else it simply transfer the control to the next statement. The control, I will give the example and syntax next one session. Next one, if else constructor. When talking a decision, there are always two phases. For example, do or not to do. Similarly, the programming, there are two phases to conditions. It may evaluate as true or false. To implement such a decision, C has provided you with a if-else constructor. The constructor carried out a logical test and then take one of the two possible courses of action depending on outcome of the condition. This is also I will give the syntax and flowchart and simple program. Next one is nested if statement. The condition if else statement can be used one within the another, and this statement so said to be nested. Here the complex logics to be represented as simple condition. The syntax, the following I will show the syntax and flowchart and one example program. Next one, think I will clarify another one, if and if else statement difference, because it is also possible to ask 2 more questions. If statement checks a condition and execute a set of statements. When this condition is true, it does not do anything. When the condition is false, this statement belongs to if. Next one is if else. If else statement check a condition and execute a set of statement. When this condition is true, it execute another set of statements when the condition is false. That is the difference between if and if else statement. Next one, important topic, looping or iteration process. There may be a situation in a problem where a single statement or a group of statements may have to execute it continuously until a particular condition is satisfied. For example, finding the area of the circle for various radius values until a 0 is entered as a radius value. A part of this segment program code is repeatedly executed. It's called looping. The entire process is called as iteration process. This is also repeatedly asking 2-mark question. What is meant by iteration process or a defined loop, etc. Okay. The entire process is called iteration process. C loop can formed more than one way. Three structures are variable. Three structures are available in C programming, like while statement, do while statement, and for statement. While statement. The while statement is used to carry out looping operations. Hence, the loop is executed until the expression evaluates to true. Next one, do while statement. When loop is constructed using the while statement, the test for condition of the loop is carried out at the beginning of each process. Do while statement allow one to do this. The do while loop, like the while loop, executes as long as the condition remains true. Consequently, the body of the loop is always executed least once. I will give the example and syntax following this video. Next one is for statement. The for statement is one of the most commonly used iteration constructor. The statement include an expression that specify an initial value for an index. Another expression that determine whether the loop is to be executed or not, and third one which modify the value of the index at the end of each pass. Like the while statement, testing of the condition is done in the beginning of the loop. That is also I will give the example in this following video. Next one topic is selection statement. First of all, we know the difference between the if and selection statement. The if statement allow the user to provide two solutions to the decision and choose any one out of the two, depending upon the condition. If condition is true, one path is chosen, and if it is false, the other is chosen. If the decision provide more than two solutions, then another format of the selection statement and can be used. The selection statement, main topic. The selection statement allow the user to select a particular group of statement from several loops. Main advantage of the switch cases, the switch statement is an extension of if-else statement. In this case of if-else statement, the maximum number of branches is restricted to the two various with the help of switch statement. The branching can be extended to any number. I will give the syntax and example program in this following video. Thank you. In this video, we saw the unconditional control statement and conditional control statement. Thank you, students.